I am a STU instructor, a student success instructor who is in a learning community with the integrated math success course here at Pima. The students population that enrolls in these courses are generally students who are not really confident in math. They're students who have maybe taken a placement test and they're a little nervous about their results. Our administrators really saw the importance of making these students a priority. The goal in these courses were definitely to make sure that the students were successful in their math classes. Instructors know the importance of helping the students through this. We had a shared understanding that students who take student success courses are students that can actually do well in math. We really felt we had lots of training, we had collaborations, everybody was a part of it. It was an entire college experience that was really successful. So they get to work on math concepts together, they get to really kind of problem solve together, they get to use the resources together, so it doesn't seem strange. And so through those shared experiences, I started out college, I'm feeling really nervous, I don't know what to do, and then I come to a place where I'm really feeling comfortable and I have a friend, somebody I can talk to, and then I have a counselor to really talk to when I have challenges that can help me get to the goal, the career goal that I'm needing to go to. So it's a really gratifying type of thing for the students, and I see it all the time. So having a cohort method is really powerful because at least they have a connection with somebody, and that's important. Usually people are working independently, and this gave us an opportunity to work together for the good of the students. So what we were doing is, like, when students were out of class, we were talking to each other in advance. We were creating syllabi together so that we can kind of make sure the curriculum aligned with each other. So if I'm in a STU class and the instructors get ready to take a test, well, guess what? I'm teaching the students, I'm giving students the opportunity to practice taking the test, and I'm also collaborating with the instructor. As a discipline coordinator, I get to see all the STU classes and what they do. But I really like this one because it gave students the opportunity to teach a concept, to learn a concept, to recognize they can do it on their own, and really get a sense that other students solve problems in different ways where we can get to the same place. In the math class, the instructors would give us a sample test, and then they would come to the STU class to work on it. The problem that led for the pairing of STU was the fact that there were so many students repeating math over and over again. Students were just taking these classes and with no advice, no direction, and it was getting discouraging for them. So what we were trying to do is really kind of identify these students and really find a way to really support these students, because we really believe that the students can be successful in math. If they test scored low, we wanted them to understand where they placed. But we had these boot camps to give them an opportunity prior to the semester to get some math help. Our surveys, our assessments, all these types of things helped us to really be strategic about our approach to helping these students. This was a very successful initiative that I was really proud to be a part of because it really supported students in our community. As a counselor, I see students on a regular basis who start out from the most basic courses. And I see their angst and I see their frustration about starting here, being in a place where they cannot take the courses that they're most interested in because there are many prerequisites. And I was really excited about the opportunity to really help students see their strengths in these areas. And it became a passion for me because we were collaborating, and this became a priority for everybody at the college. So to be able to see students from the beginning unsure, scared, afraid, and then go to the other end, a degree, amazing.